I will show you how to use Otter.ai with Zoom. So in order to start using Otter.ai with Zoom, what you want to go ahead and do is first just create your free Otter.ai account, and then here from your dashboard, click on Apps. And then in the Apps section, you will see Zoom right here. So using Zoom, you can transcribe and summarize your Zoom meetings and webinars, extracting key action items and streamline autopilot joining Zoom meetings. So go ahead and click on Add right here. That will take you to the Zoom website where you can simply sign into your Zoom account using your email address and password, or using an SSO key, Apple, Google or Facebook. Then here you will see something like this, so go and read this and then click allow this app to use my shared access permissions and then click on allow. So then in the app section next to Zoom, it will now say disconnect, and that means that you have connected it. So now when you have a meeting inside of Zoom, Otter.ai will get to work and all of its features will be available to you. Now you can always add the meeting URL right here to also record it, or you can click on the record button right there. So now you know how to use Otter.ai with Zoom. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.